Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term squid. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, squid is a slang term for someone who is new or inexperienced, especially in motorcycle riding or diving. People use it when they want to describe someone who makes rookie mistakes or seems reckless. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Squid first showed up in the 1990s, especially within motorcycling scenes. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among riders and extreme sports enthusiasts. Now let's check out how to use squid in a sentence. Correct example 1. He showed up as a total squid on his first motorcycle ride, not knowing the rules of the road. Correct example 2. I can't believe he wiped out again. Such a squid move. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said squid at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using squid right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Squid means a newbie or inexperienced person, especially in riding or diving. It started in the 1990s motorcycling community, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with squid in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.